Okay, but real talk for a second. How many times have you been in a meeting, like really needing to remember everything, but you're also trying to take notes and like be present?
Or worse, you get back to your desk, hours of recordings, and you're just like,
Uh,
where's that one good idea?
the worst. But that's why we're here. This deep dive, we're all about reclaiming that time, finding those golden nuggets of knowledge. We're diving into Transcribe IQ. It's like your AI meeting guru.
And, you've got these two guides here, getting started with TranscribeIQ Teams Edition and then getting started with TranscribeIQ's Chrome extension. So we'll go company-wide and the individual today.
Ambitious.
Got to be thorough, right? And one thing that jumps out from these guides, it's what they do with the transcripts. This is about actionable intel. It's interesting, because everyone's drowning in meeting data these days, but starving for actual insights, it's not enough to just record. We got to understand it all.
Right. Make it make sense. Okay, so two approaches here. The Teams edition versus this Chrome extension. Two sides of the same coin, would you say?
Kind of, yeah. The Teams edition, think of it like building your company's insight engines. Everything's flowing, Gong data's connected, analysis happens automatically, sales, customer success, product people, they all get insights targeted for them.
So Teams edition, big picture, setting up the mothership, basically. But then the Chrome extension, this is where it gets personal, right? Me, the user, want to analyze stuff and edit you.
Exactly. On-demand analysis, your personal AI, always ready. Say you're prepping for a client meeting, right? You could be digging through old notes, or you hit up the Chrome extension, analyze those past calls instantly, see what objections came up before. Boom, you walk in prepared.
That's massive, honestly. I'm already seeing sales teams using this to track objections, like over time, see the patterns, refine their pitches. Game changer.
Yeah.
Okay, but let's unpack these a bit. Teams edition first. If a company's just starting out with this, what are the must-dos?
First things first, right? You got to connect TranscribeIQ to your Gong account. That's where all the good stuff is, all those calls.
Yeah, it's like plugging right into the source. Gold.
Right. And then, this is where it gets smooth. You start setting up integrations, the usual suspects, Slack, G Suite. So now it's all automated. Summaries, insights, bam, right where your team's already working.
Instead of getting lost in some email thread, it's part of the workflow already. Smart.
Exactly. Got to make it actionable. And here's what I really dig. You can tailor the analysis. Sales team. They want objection handling, competitor mentions, all that. Customer success. They're looking at upsells, churn risks. Totally different.
Like custom for everyone, focused on their goals. That level of customization, that's powerful stuff.
Oh, you can get granular too. Zero in on specific Gong users. Got a top performer, see what they're doing, newbie on the team, analyze their calls for coaching. It's all there.
Okay, so we're connected to Gong, integrations are set up, we've got the analysis fine-tuned. What's next? Time to launch this thing.
Now's the fun part. Picking your AI analysis types. They've got a whole menu in the guide. Sales call summaries, coaching reports, even customer call summaries like get a feel for the sentiment, product feedback, new customer handoffs.
It's like ordering off a menu, but for insights. I love it. So once you've picked your analysis style, I'm guessing you hit submit, and Transcribe IQ does its magic.
Pretty much. The algorithms take over and boom, you're in business. Automated analysis, all the insights, no more headaches. And if you get stuck, they do have support, which is nice.
Always good to have a safety net, but let's not forget our solo users out there. The Chrome extension, this seems huge for anyone who wants this power, even without the whole company setup.
For sure. And their guide for that is seriously user-friendly, just like the Teams one. They definitely get the importance of making things easy to use.
All right, walk us through it. Chrome extension highlights. What should people be excited about? So we're talking about giving anyone the power to analyze their meetings, even if their whole company's not on board yet with TranscribeIQ.
Exactly. It's like a secret weapon for your productivity arsenal.
Love it. But okay, enough hype. How does this actually work? Chrome extension in the wild. Give me a scenario.
Okay, so picture this. You're about to walk into this big product roadmap meeting, right?
High stakes.
And you kind of remember a few weeks ago, there was this call, some really crucial user feedback came out of it, but to find it now.
Buried in notes somewhere.
Exactly. Chrome extension to the rescue. You pull up that Gong recording, click the Transcribe IQ icon, boom, you're analyzing that whole call in minutes.
It's like instant recall, but for meetings.
Right. And it's not just summaries. Remember all those analysis types? You've got in here too. Objections, closing techniques, feature requests, churn risks, whatever you need, right then.
This changes how teams work together, I'm serious. Imagine sharing those insights right then, straight from the analysis, next level. And you can do multiple calls at once too, right?
You got it, multi-call analysis. Let's say you're seeing this customer complaint keeps popping up. Instead of looking at one call, you analyze like 5 interactions, see the patterns, maybe find the root cause.
That's huge. Everyone loves to say data-driven decisions, but this is how you actually do it. No more guessing. It's all right there.
And it's not just a one-time thing. You can save these analyses, download them, share them, build up your own little library of like meeting intelligence.
So it's not just analyzing, it's remembering, capturing it. Okay, this is blowing my mind a little. But what about customizing it? Can I make the Chrome extension fit?
Oh, absolutely. That's a big thing they highlight. Different analysis profiles. You got it.
Yeah.
Specific keywords, topics you want to zero in on, go for it. The tool works for you, not the other way around.
Okay, so we've covered a lot today. Teams edition, big picture, automation, Chrome extension, personal, on demand. But I think the bigger takeaway here is how this could actually change meetings for good.
Imagine meetings that aren't something you dread, but like actual opportunities to connect, come up with great ideas, walk away with real, usable insights.
Less passive listening, more active engagement. We always talk about beating information overload. This is how we actually do it.
That's the magic, right? It's not just being more productive, it's making those interactions mean something, reclaiming our time, using AI the right way, and honestly making every conversation count.
And that is a wrap on TranscribeIQ, folks. Teams edition, Chrome extension, we've gone deep. But the real fun starts when you try it out. Don't forget, free trial, go explore, see what it can do. And as you do, think big. How can this not just change your meetings, but change how you work together, how you innovate, how you get things done? Until next time, happy analyzing, everyone.